The story of Majestic-12 comes back to life, challenging what we thought we knew. Could it be that what we consider a fraud is actually a hidden truth? An anonymous analyst, known as MJ12 Logic, has revived one of the most controversial ufology records. This researcher directly questions the FBI's conclusion, which in the 1980s stamped a laconic bogus on various documents of the alleged MJ12 group. In its analysis published in Substack, MJ12 Logic introduces a new element of doubt. The administrative codes, stamps, and archive systems present in those documents coincide with those used by the CIA in the 1940s and 1950s. This is not a superficial coincidence. These are classification and documentary control structures that remained out of public knowledge for decades. Some codes in the MJ12 documents coincide with Operation Paperclip. The researcher claims to have found exact matches between MJ12 papers and actual files related to Operation Paperclip. This raises an inevitable question. How could a counterfeiter replicate file systems that were not even public at the time? Ryan Wood, custodian of thousands of pages on MJ12, argues that the analysis is solid. According to him, the entire file exceeds 3,500 documents, many of them subjected to forensic studies that analyze from typography to paper composition. However, an uncomfortable voice emerges that could slow down this narrative. John Greenewald Jr., known for his archive in the Black Vault, introduces a technical nuance that could disassemble part of this new interpretation. Greenewald explains that one of the pillars of MJ12 Logic's analysis is based on the date approved for release in paperclip documents. But that date does not correspond to the original declassification, but to the last revision of the document. This disables part of the argument. Stamps and dates do not necessarily prove a direct temporary connection to MJ12 documents. Greenewald goes further and detects that certain stamps already appeared in declassified documents in the 1980s. Here comes a disturbing hypothesis. The counterfeiters could have used declassified actual documents as a model to build versions of the MJ12 files. This raises doubts about the authenticity of the documents. The case is fragmented again. There are different documentary lots, the originals, studied by Stanton Friedman, and subsequent ones that present significant variations. Not all MJ12 documents are the same. The real question could be whether we are dealing with a case of misinformation, where truth and counterfeiting coexist in the same file. Where does the evidence end and the construction of the truth begins?